So here's this Trotec portable air conditioner that was like a hand-me-down from some other family, and I don't know how to plug it in, but I haven't turned it on yet. This is just to show what it looks like. There's the fan in there. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's like blue. And then here's the manual. And then this is the remote. It has all of these temperatures. So the temperature setting, I don't know what these are. LED. These are like all the different modes. Looks like it was already used. And then here's the controls at the front. And it's like, you can control it like that. This is the model. And here's the data. From 2002, I think. And it has R290. And then here's the tubes. Yeah, so this thing hasn't been installed yet, obviously. You can see the fan in there, actually. And then here's the back coil. Actually, no, here's the coil. The coil needs to be cleaned. I'll do that eventually before I can turn it on. And I don't know if you can see it in there. There's the compressor. It appears to be a rotary of some sort, probably Toshiba, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I think that's a rotary compressor. I was hoping it would come with a reset, but looks to be a rotary. Yeah, Trotec. And next time I film this unit, I'll film a video of it running. Yeah.